Got a PTR file from a digital art tutorial and want to load the brush in Painter? This format extends your painting toolkit with custom brushes. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install Corel Painter brush files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value PTR file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. A PTR file contains a custom brush definition for use in Corel Painter, a digital art application. Artists create or download these files to expand their creative toolkit with unique brushstrokes, textures, and effects. The user intent is to import these files into Painter to access new artistic tools. The PTR format is a proprietary binary file that encapsulates various brush parameters such as shape, texture, angle, and response to stylus pressure. This complex structure is designed to give artists granular control over the brush's behavior, allowing for the simulation of natural media like oil paints or watercolors. The optimal viewer for the PTR format is generally considered to be Corel Painter from Corel Corporation. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows cannot interpret extension modules, so launching them requires a compatible application. Your first step toward a working file. Right-click the PTR file and select Open With. If Corel Painter is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. Testing is key. If your PTR file will not open, do not worry. The solution is often simpler than you think. If the PTR file is still stubborn, look for one of these 3 basic errors. Use this quick reference list to check them now. First, importing into Painter. Open Corel Painter and use the Brush Library panel menu. Then import Brush Library or import brush. Browse to the PTR file and confirm the import. The brush appears in the active brush library ready for selection and use in painting projects with all custom parameters preserved. Next, organizing brush libraries. Group imported PTR brushes into custom categories within Painter's Brush Library panel by creating new categories and dragging brushes into them. Organized brush libraries improve workflow efficiency when working with large brush collections gathered from multiple sources or developed for specific painting styles. Finally, sharing custom brushes. Export your own custom brushes to PTR format using Brush Library panel menu, then Export Brush. Share PTR files with the Corel Painter community through forums, social media, or art tutorials. Other artists can install your brushes following the same import process for collaborative tool development. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.